Welcome back to PcomLab. Today, we're exploring a powerful all-in-one PDF solution called JOPDF. This is the collaboration video with the JOPDF. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for JOPDF. Click on the first result to visit their official website. Once on the home page, click the red Free Download button in the top right corner. Choose your save location and click Save to download the installer. Click on the downloaded file to run the setup. When the installer opens, simply click Install Now and wait for the process to complete. While that installs, let's locate our PDF files. Back at the installer, once it reaches 100%, you'll see the Installation Completed screen. Click Start Now to launch the application. Here is the clean JOPDF dashboard. To begin, click the red Open PDF button. Select your file from your computer and click Open. The PDF opens in the viewer. Explore PcomLab's N8N workflow series. Go to YouTube and save the playlist of PcomLap. You can smoothly scroll through your document. Let's open a second file by going to the folder icon and selecting another PDF. Now let's edit. Click the Edit tab on the top toolbar. Select Edit All. Now you can click on any text box to move it around or click Add Text to type new information directly onto the document. Need a different format? Click the Convert tab. If you click to Word, you may be prompted to install a quick conversion plugin. Click Install Plugin and let it download. Once installed, you have options to convert your PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even an image file with one click. To print, simply click the Print icon in the top menu to open your printer settings. Security is important. Click the Protect tab and select Encrypt. Here you can set an open password. Type your password and click Apply to lock the document. Now navigate to the Page tab. Here you can manage the document structure. You can rotate pages, delete specific pages, or organize the flow of your document easily. If we close the Current tab and return to the main dashboard, you'll see quick tools to organize, compress, and batch process your PDFs. Let's open a file again to look at viewing modes. Click the View tab. You can switch between single-page view, two-page view, or enable scrolling. You can also rotate the view for better readability. On the left sidebar, you can access your bookmarks. You can also use the search icon to find specific keywords within the workflow code or text. To customize the interface, click the menu icon in the top right corner. You can check for updates or go to Appearance to switch the entire application to dark mode for easier viewing at night, or switch back to light mode. JOPDF is a comprehensive tool. As we can see on their website, it offers an all-in-one editor that is compatible across Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is lightweight, fast, and secure, making it a reliable choice for managing your digital documents without the lag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the download link. See you in the next video. Until then, tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.